Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can make birthday video in Canva with adding the music step by step. Further, to create a birthday song with the so and so name, say for example the birthday is of Rahul, you can use Google Gemini AI music tool, free music tool, and you can create the birthday song with name. Open Google Gemini AI and choose this create music option. This create music option, this one, and give a small prompt like create a birthday song with the name of Rahul in the prompt, and it will create the music, the birthday song with the name Rahul wishing. Okay, right now what I'll do is I'll simply give the voice commands which turns into text for this Google Gemini music, which is not actually recording. I didn't record that, but what I have given the prompt is create beautiful music, soothing music video or audio with the name Rahul and create a music. That's what, see here, this give a voice text with Rahul wishing with birthday wishes. So it is creating the music. Now I'll download that music to my mobile, then I'll open Canva and I'll create a video and add this as the background music or the background song. I'll be showing you very easily. Okay, let it create the audio song, sorry. It is created. So what I'll do is I'll play this and I'll be downloading this with this download option, and I want only track only, means mp3 file is enough, because I want to keep this as the background of the Canva. Download this, audio is downloaded. So I'll be going to my files app. My files means the file manager on my mobile, and play this file manager. Let me play this.
Another orbit round the sun. Look at all the light you've won. Hey Rahul, it's your day.
See, right? Here open the Canva and here just search as birthday video, so that you will get a lot of templates here. So happy birthday video I'm searching. You can choose any template, any video template of your choice, and I'll tell you how you can replace the photos of the Rahul. So if we choose this one, okay, you need to tap on that individual frame, okay, so that you will get this gallery image, and you can change with whatever images you are want. And you can see the download, means at the downside there is a replace option. So click on the frame, then click on the replace and replace with the Rahul photo or whatever the person which you want to wish the birthday wishes. See, select the frame, click on replace at the bottom, and that's it. And to add another frame, you can add a number of frames here. So I'm choosing another template and I'm adding that, so that the video length now it is increased to 11 seconds. Likewise, you can add up to 30 seconds, as the audio length is 30 seconds. Now how you can add the audio here? You can add the audio. See here, this is the add audio option is there, right? You need to click on that. Before that, you need to upload the audio first. So at bottom you will see this uploads option. Click on that upload and choose the video audio from your mobile and upload it first. Then press on the back button and click on this audio, add audio option, and go to the uploads, and here choose this one and test with playing that. So now the photos of the person with whom you are wishing to, and the background song what you have created using Google Gemini AI, this will go really good. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And you can click on this upload symbol and you can just copy the link and send it to whomever you want to wish. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.